If you get value from this video, be sure to subscribe and drop a like. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get into it. 1995, the Nike Air Barrages. They came in a low top version and a high top version. And today we're going to be restoring them. These came in for a full reglue. Considering their age, they are starting to separate. As you can see, I can easily peel these apart. So we're going to be doing a full reglue on these to get these right for my client. I really appreciate my clients who do business with me. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it, man. Take a look at these in closer detail. Okay, so we got these taken apart. Awesome. Ow, just hit my ankle. So we got these taken apart. As you can see, the uppers are clean. I was very careful not to crack that suede anymore, or even on the back part here. I was very careful. I want you guys to listen really quick. So turn down whatever you got to turn down. Just take a listen. You hear that? That is crumbled air unit, literally trapped inside the midsole. This reminds me of when I worked on a pair, same client actually, it was a pair of his Nike Air Flies, I want to say was the name. I'll pop a picture up here if I can. And the same thing happened. I had to use my X-Acto knife and carve out the air unit, take it out, and then underneath we found all of that old crumbled Zoom Air. So that's exactly what it reminds me of. I'm probably gonna have to do the exact same thing. My client has never even seen these taken apart. He takes apart some of his, shoes from his collection. He's tried restoring some in the past, so he's seen a lot of the shoes and what they look like, but this pair he's never seen before. I've never seen it before, so maybe this is all our first time seeing it. But I am gonna be taking this out. We're gonna see all that crumbled air unit that you hear once I take that out, and we're gonna be replacing this with EVA foam, similar to what you've seen in my other videos. Woo! Woo! Just as expected. Whoa, that was not meant to happen. But wow, look at that. So it was like an EVA air unit. This looks about 4mm thick, similar to what I use. And then an air zoom unit underneath. But as we can see, it is just all spilled down and it's crumbled. But still a little bit of residue left in here. I guess we may as well dump it out, as you guys can see. Interesting to see how Nike used to design their shoes and install their air units in their shoes. It's just cool. But now that we've got this taken out, we can then move on to the prepping process. Acetone cotton balls. Let's get into it.
You set my body, all of my body on fire. I melt in your hands, soaked in sweat when we dance. I fall to my knees, baby. Wanna get you alone, now not ready to ignite. I want us to go home, now turn off every light, baby, burn me to ashes. Then I rise. You set my body, all of my body. You set my body, all of my body on fire. You set my body, all of my body. You set my body, all of my body on fire. You set my
Prep work is going great. We're done with the acetone and cotton balls on the midsole and outsole. Now I'm just scraping off all the factory glue lines on the uppers so nothing shows once we bond everything back together. This just helps keep everything professional and makes the shoes look as new as possible. The next step will be applying the glue using Barrage Super Stick Cement.
shut down in my brain. Don't know what to say. Too much chemistry.
Okay, so the glue is all cured. The shoes are ready to be bonded together, as you can see over there. As you saw, obviously we carved out those crumbled air units, so they have to be replaced. They need replacing. I saved the original top layer that I carved out. As you can see, that's underneath. The reason I did this is so I can just smack that on my EVA foam, align it up right on that EVA foam. That way it fits perfect, nice and snug, and how it was originally designed to fit. I may have to do 2 layers to fill in all that air unit, because keep in mind, this was just a layer covering the air unit underneath there. So it may be a little thicker than the 4 millimeters, but if I have to make it a little thicker, I will. So let's do this, man. I hope you guys are enjoying this.
What do you want from me? Are you trying to get me back or just bad memories? What do you want from me? You can buy my love with all your treasuries. Oh, you think that you're alright, and you think that you care. Now that day another fight. Paper can't hurt me, but I don't give a damn. I don't have to please no one, and I ain't gonna change, ain't gonna change.
There's nothing in this world more primal than my love for you. If you meet somebody else that's a rival, that much is true. Yeah, I know you said, baby, this is final, and I blame myself.
Now that I'm installing the EVA foam, I've got the first layer down. Next, I'm adding a second layer toward the heel to level it out, so my client won't feel a dip when he walks. After that, I'll use my X-Acto knife to carve out and blend the middle so everything stays as smooth as possible.
Let it go till I get you alone. I can't help but howl like a wolf, howl like a wolf. I wish my call's gonna reach you. Give it my all, 'cause I need you. I will howl like a wolf. Baby, I will howl like a wolf. When the sun fades, when the night awaits, I'll be howling and howling and howling for you, babe. Can't keep my pain quiet any longer. Gotta let it out. Are you anywhere near? So I wonder, can you hear me now? I know it ain't over till it's over, 'cause I'm still alive. If only you'd come a bit closer, maybe I'll survive. I wish my call's gonna reach you. Give it my all, 'cause I need you out. Let it go, let it go, let it go till I get you alone. I can't help but howl like a wolf, howl like a wolf. I wish my call's gonna.
Now, if you stayed to this point in the video, I automatically know you're a real one, so I appreciate that. But I did want to include this extra little segment of me just packing the shoes, packing the order, and boxing it up, just as a little extra watch for you. So if that's something that interests you, let's pack these up.
I know it's been a while, haven't talked since July. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. I know it's been some time since I called you mine. You've been on my mind, don't hang up. Maybe I'm a little bit jealous, haven't told my friends we ended it. Yeah, I know that it's wrong.
If you guys got value from this video and you want to see more just like it, be sure to click here. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see me work on more rare shoes, let me know what pair you want to see me work on next in the comments. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.